What is up, guys? So I wanted to bring you guys a quick unboxing. I just got something in the mail. This is the Ducky 1-2 TKL Mini or something along those lines. It's called. This is like their Ducky, like the Ducky 1-2 Mini, except it's TKL, which basically means that it includes the arrow keys and the F keys, like F1 through F12. And all of those keys on it. And I tried the 1-2 Mini and I didn't like it. It was too small for me. I feel like I need those arrow keys, and in some games and some applications you actually need arrow keys, and on the 1-2 Mini there's the FN option to use other keys for arrow keys, but it just feels a lot better having the actual arrow keys there. So getting into the unboxing, I ordered this from mechanicalkeyboards.com, and you can see they have their own like unique tape on here. There should be an address there, but mechanicalkeyboards.com. I've been buying from these guys ever since I started buying Ducky, which is about, I'd say, 6 months ago. So I haven't been using Ducky all that long, but I can tell you that every Ducky keyboard I get is very, very high quality, and I highly recommend them. They're a little bit pricey, but it's worth the price. And each one of these keyboards, it goes up to like 100 million clicks or something like that. So that's like years and years and years of use on a keyboard. But this is what it comes in here. I'll make sure that I'm all the way widened out there. Get this out of the box. Set the box over to the side. That knife over there. And you get this Ducky plastic over it. Take that out there. Have the actual 1-2 TKL here. That's the back of the box. Flip over to the front of the box. Ducky 1-2, 100 million activations. Some Ducky branding on the side. Is that some numbers there. I don't know what the number is, but I'm not going to show it. It might be important. And then somewhere on here it shows, yes, here the front end of the box. It shows that I went with the cherry RGB blue switches. Now the reason I went with blue is because I know I like blues. I've used blues, and I've tried reds and I've tried blacks. Reds are okay. I don't like blacks at all. And the only really ones that I haven't tried are the silvers and the browns and the greens. But I know the greens would be just like the blues, except a lot more, you know, rough, and like the blues, just a lot rougher. So I wasn't worried about it. But I did want to try the browns, but I had to go with the blue because they were completely out of stock on the browns. With all the stuff that's going on with COVID, it's hard to get anything in stock. So knowing I like the Cherry MX blue switches and them not having the browns in stock was like a sign to me just to stick with the blues, and instead of having to return it if I didn't like the browns. But going in and getting with the unbox here. Get that open. You know, that's what people are probably here for. There's a lot of videos on this, but I figure, you know, I can show mine because each one of the Ducky keyboards is different. You can get different color keycaps with each one. It's completely random what color you get, so you can't really decide that. Not the switches, of course. You can pick your own switches, Cherry MX version and whatnot, but just not the actual color. That's random. But inside the box is just this, the keyboard itself. The wires are in the back end there of the box. Slide this out, see if I can do it one-handed. Maybe. Oh gosh. There we go. Slide that out. Do that to the side. And there's a little plastic cover, which a lot of people use to actually cover the keyboard every time they finish using it as like a dust cover. It's actually not a bad idea. It would work for that just fine. That may even be what it's for. And I may just be dumb saying that, yeah, you can use it as a dust cover, even though that's what they include it for. But I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know. But yeah, put that over there on the side with the other wrap. And that's the keyboard. Looks like I got blue. Blue caps for the blue switches, so that's cool. They match. So then the keyboard itself, it looks like, what kind of thing is that? Is that a... Ah, it's a bunny. It's like a little bunny guy. Looks like he's on a skateboard. Bunny on a skateboard with a rocket booster. That's pretty cool. Each one of the space bars is also unique with each keyboard, and also completely random, depending on what the season is. But that's the front. You have your USB-C input for the cord or the cable there. Then you have your double feet for the 2 different height lengths. I'll let you hear the click there. Other side. Okay. And that's the across the back. That arounds. Back of the keyboard. Side of the keyboard. Other side of the keyboard. And then of course the front of the keyboard there. Okay, so that's it. I'll do a sound test after this unboxing for the blue switches, of course. You get like a little Ducky manual, user manual in there. Now for the actual rest of the box, this opens up here. I think it's backways. Yeah. Have not opened this yet. We're unboxing it live here. And this is what you get. You get your cable, USB-C cable to USB 2.0 for actually plugging it into the PC, with also a blue cable like sleeve wrap, Velcro wrap there. You have your keycaps. You get some very unique ones. Of course, they're blue to match the enter there. Your Ducky keycap remover. And a default spacebar if you didn't like the unique bunny on a rocket ship skateboard. You can replace it with a default black one. And that's pretty much everything that comes in the box. Now for a sound test.